And I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another dance with him, I play a song that would never ever end. 'Cause I love to dance with my Father. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I play a song that will never ever end. 'Cause I love to dance with my Father.
May doktor na kayo, si Dr. Danny Anastasio.
Sometimes I listen outside the door, and I'll hear how Mama cried for him. I prayed for her even more than me. I prayed for her even more than me.
Please clap your hands. Yan na. Doc, tingnan mo ito kung kailan ito. Ang fertilization ba, mga gano'ng katagal?
I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my Father again. Every night I fall asleep, this is all I ever breathe.
Okay. I assure you, Alina.
Thank you.
Hindi nagpa-stem cell yan, nagpa-sperm cell yan.
I love you, Alina.
Okay, yeah! So, bigay pang pantalon mo, no?
Hindi, nagre-ready na kami ng mga duets namin eh. Sa Thursday,